FDA awards WT's VERO program $500,000.
Thanks for joining us. West Texas A&M University's Veterinary Education, Research, and Outreach program will use the $500,000 grant to research cattle feeding. The VERO program is a unique partnership within the Texas A&M system between the College of Veterinary Medicine at Texas A&M University and the College of Agriculture at West Texas A&M. The VERO, along with other research groups, hope to find ways to reduce the amount of tylosin phosphate given to cattle. KAMR Local 4's Ali Cassetti has those details in tonight's top story at 10.
West Texas A&M's Veterinary Education, Research, and Outreach program will be leading the way in a national effort to prevent antimicrobial drug resistance in feedlot cattle.
The concerns about antimicrobial use in animals are principally because of concerns about transmitting resistant bacteria from cattle or the food that's produced from them to people.
The shared goal between Dr. Paul Morley, his team, out-of-state researchers, and cattle industry leaders is to find ways to reduce the amount of tylosin phosphate given to cattle.
We will be conducting a state-of-the-art clinical trial to evaluate different treatment strategies with the drug tylosin, which is one of the most commonly used antibiotics that are used in cattle.
The hope is that by reducing the use of antibiotics in cattle, the researchers would decrease the risk for developing resistant bacteria, which could impact people through their food. The team's research will look into ways to prevent antimicrobial drug resistance in feedlot cattle.
We will be specifically testing whether we can strategically use less antibiotic and still achieve the same disease prevention that we achieve when we use more antibiotic.
Morley says that this is a one-year grant, and after that, the VERO program will be seeking additional funding to continue the research beyond that time frame.
Morley says that the VERO program is best known for their new 2+2 veterinarian training program. This program will give Texas A&M vet students the option to spend their first 2 years on WT's campus for increased exposure to large animal needs in rural communities. In studio, Ali Cassetti, Local 4, KMR News. Jackie?
Ali, thank you. West Texas A&M's VERO program will be starting their 2+2 veterinary school program next fall.